good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. And I hope you guys are doing fine and happy celebration time. Happy New Year. May this new year bring forth blessings, favor, and grace upon our life. May our secret prayer be answered in Jesus' name. Amen. So first of all, guys, before we begin this video, I just want to use this opportunity to thank all my new subscribers in the house. I so much appreciate you all. May God bless you, my hold. And for those of you who have been sharing me out, thank you guys for your amazing support. May God bless you all abundantly. So today, guys, we're just going to be talking about two most effective whitening lightning tube I've used, and I'm still using them till date to mix my cream. And for those of you who actually be asking me which one is more good on the skin, depends on your skin type, guys. I don't want to say anything that I don't want to tell you guys or prescribe anything that you will use because it works on me. It doesn't mean it will definitely works for you. And I don't want to prescribe anything for anyone that will condemn or destroy your skin. So first of all, guys, I just want to be telling you guys the one I've used on my skin and it works really good for me. But if you want to try it, make sure you give it a try. Try it. Look, make sure you check your skin. Now, if you are using it, just continue checking your skin. Nothing 2 weeks. If you have any reaction, if you have any complication on your skin, please, I will advise you to stop and continue using the one you've been using before. But as for me, I normally use this tool. The reason why I picked this tool out of all the whole lightening and whitening tube in the market is because this tool is very, very common to get. So this particular one is optional for me. This one is option for me. If I can't find this, I will just go for this. So that is the reason why I'm using these two products. I'm not mixing it together. If I want to mix it with my cream or anything, I don't mix these two together, guys. So I don't mix these two together because it will be super effective and it will be very, very active on my skin. So if you want to go for your lightening product, if you are using any product on your skin, if you are using any product you feel like is good on your skin, I'll advise you to go for Fashion Fair. So Fashion Fair is a nice and amazing cream. This is Fashion Fair cream, fast action. So it has it all in gel, but I won't advise anyone to go for the gel because the gel is very, very active. If you know you have a sensitive skin and your skin is very, very sensitive, anything you apply on it, you get the result instantly. Please be mindful of how you use tube, and that is the reason why I normally go for this particular one. This one is the cream, not the gel. Not the gel. The gel is very, very active. But if your skin is strong, if you have a strong skin, because I have a friend who is using Caro White, guys. I remember then when I used Caro White in Africa, guys, I was really, really fair then when I was using Caro White in Africa. Completely right. The good thing about me is that if I'm using any cream, I go for the full set so that if anything go wrong, I will know what is happening on my skin, so I can just stop immediately. So then I was using the full set of Caro White. My skin was very, very light, and my friend who is using it along with me, she was still dark her skin was still dark in comparison. I was kind of okay, maybe it's just kind of my skin, I don't know. But if your skin is a very, very sensitive skin, you can use this particular one, which is the cream. But if you have a strong skin that anything you apply on your skin, you don't get result instantly, you can go for the gel. And if you are missing the gel, please be mindful of how you mix it on your cream. Just add a little. For instance, now, like I said before, for those of you who actually watch how I mix my cream, so this one, I don't know, I've mixed this particular one with my cream 2 to 3 times, if I'm not mistaken, guys. 2 to 3 times. So make sure you mix it just like that. Don't just mix everything along with your cream, guys. Make sure you divide it into 3 shades. Normally use this particular one, guys. Why this one? The reason why I love this, guys, if you are using this, you get instant lightening. Instant lightening. Like when I say lightening, it will take up to 2 weeks for you to get the result, except you miss it, you overdose it, except you miss the full full pack like this or half cream, that is the only way you will probably get the result in within a week. But that is not advisable, guys. Please be mindful of how you use it. So this particular one, this one is HYPROGEL. This HYPROGEL is super effective. The only time I use this, as you can see, is still much. It's still much. The only time I use this is when I feel like, okay, let me lighten up a little, let me make my skin to look more lighter. So that is the only time I do miss my HYPROGEL. So this particular one, if I want to mix this particular one with my cream, guys, I just stop the one I miss. Fair and white fashion, sorry guys, I don't know fair and white. So I will just go ahead and mix the fashion fair, the one I missed with fashion fair. I will just take a break and let it be. Then I will have to mix a new one, same cream, guys. I'm not changing cream, I'm just talking about the tube. So I normally, how I mix my tube, my lightening tube, that is what I'm explaining, guys. So if I feel like lightening my skin, a little bit, I will just take a break for the one I missed with this fashion fair and use this particular one to, then I'll have to bring out new cream, the one I haven't mixed before. I have to bring it out and separate it in other can, then mix this fashion HYPROGEL with it, then use it for 2 weeks. Then I would definitely get my result and my skin will be more light than the way it was. So that is how I normally mix my cream. So for those of you who have been asking me on my comment section, which tube or which lightening tube should I go for if I want to lighten up a bit? So first of all, guys, please, if you want to lighten up a bit, you said you want to lighten up a bit, not you don't want to whiten up your skin, you want to lighten up a bit. That is your question. So here I am, I'm just going to answer that question now. So if you want to lighten up a bit, I will advise you to go for Fashion Fair. Fashion Fair is a nice cream. It works in different ways. It's not only for lightening skin. It can also help blend your skin. It will also help get rid of any skin pigmentation, like if you're having blemishes or any skin problem you are having. If you are using Fashion Fair, as far as you didn't abuse it, it's just going to work on your skin. Make sure you mix a little from this to your body cream and not the full can of your cream. Make sure you shade your cream into 2 or 3 places, then mix this, and you have to shade this one as well into 3 places. If you are shading your cream into 2, make sure you shade this into 2 as well. If it's into 3, make sure you shade this into 3. This way you will probably get the result. Don't just add the full of this in half of your cream. If you shade your cream into 2 and you want to mix this full one in one part of the one you shaded, please, I don't know what to say, you won't like your skin at the end. Make sure you use it according to the way it's been prescribed. You understand? So some people do say, please, can I use my tube just like that without you mixing it with your cream? No ma, no sir, no auntie, no sister, you can't use it like this without you mixing it with your cream. Please, you have to mix it with your cream. If you want to use any lightening tube you are using, please make sure you mix it with your cream. No matter what, even if the tube is a brightening tube, don't abuse it. Don't use it like that on your skin. Make sure you had, even if it's a little cream from that cream you are using, make sure you had something with it. Add something with it so that it will be very active on your skin. This way you will love the way it's working on your skin. So guys, as for this tool, I'm just going to be telling you guys the one I love the most. The one I love the most, guys, is this particular one. Because this one, if you want to lighten up your skin, if you want to brighten up your skin, go for this. But if you want to whiten up your skin, I mean, for those of you, if you are fair, or if you are fair in complexion, not people that, if you are dark, please, I will advise you to go for this. If you are a dark skin, don't use this product. If you are a dark skin, don't use this product. It's not advisable. If you are a dark skin, don't use this product. This particular one, don't use it. It's not advisable. go for this. If you are a dark skin, just mix this with your brightening cream you are using. A little from this, not too much, guys. This, let me remove this. Add this to it. You're just gonna love your skin. So the reason why I'm telling you this, guys, I know I've made I did a video about different types of a body tube, and I'm here again telling you guys the one you should go for. This one is not, I'm having it, I'm using it right now. So go for this if you want to lighten up your skin, you want to. And please, this one is of two types. We have it gel and we have it cream. So the cream is not for whitening it's not for a whitening skin. It's not for whitening skin. It's only going to help your skin. It will only brighten up your skin and make your skin look more fair and not white. It will lighten up your skin gradually. If you are missing it, don't miss everything. Miss it a little. It will gradually brighten up your skin the way you will love it. While as for this one is very, very active. If you are dark, don't use this. If you are fair, if you want to white, go for this. Mix it with your cream. You just go low. It doesn't really matter any cream you are using, guys. If I'm telling people that I'm using Nivea for now, they won't believe me. They won't believe me. Wait, let me bring my Nivea cream. So you see, this is it. This is it. For those of you, if you haven't watched the video I did about how I mix my Nivea cream, go and watch it. It depends on how you mix your cream. It's not going to give you anything stretch mark. It's not going to give you anything grieve. It's not going to give you anything pigmentation or anything skin problem or blemishes on your skin. No, it all depends on how you mix it. So I use Nivea for now, but a lot of people don't. They will say, "I am lying. I don't use Nivea." I'm using Nivea. Just imagine the full product I bought for a friend. That was the video I did yesterday. If I should use that product within 2 weeks, guys, I will get the result, and I will look like, how will I put that? I don't want. I'm just trying to maintain my skin. So for me to look more bright, light in complexion the way I am, that is the reason why I mix it with this. So guys, please be careful of how you mix your cream. So that is what I just want to say. And thank you guys for your time. Thank you guys for your time, and I so much appreciate you all for stopping by, for watching my video, for asking me questions about what to use on your skin, for inboxing me. I so much appreciate that. Alone make me happy. Thank you guys, and I love you all. Please do take care of your skin. Our skin is our priority, you understand? And I do love you guys, and do have a blessed and a wonderful day, and keep safe. See you guys in my next amazing video. Have a lovely day.